Hello, good day viewers. Here is another nice Indian Olympiad mathematics question. It stated that if x squared minus y squared is equal to 5 and x multiplied by y is equal to 6, we are asked to find the value of x plus y, given that both x and y are real numbers. Okay, let's get started with the solution. I'm going to present you two methods, though the second method is going to be a little bit simpler. Okay, let's get started with the first method. I want to use the first equation, x squared minus y squared equal to 5, and I want to square both sides. So we have x squared minus y squared all squared equal to 5 also squared. If you expand the left hand side, you have the first term squared, which is going to give us x to the power of 4, plus the second term squared, y to the power of 4, then minus 2 multiplied by x squared multiplied by y squared. They have equal exponents, so we can assign them a single exponent. And to the right hand side, we have 25 because 5 squared is 25. But in the second equation, we have seen that x multiplied by y is equal to 6, so we can substitute it here. Therefore, x to the power of 4 plus y to the power of 4 minus 2 multiplied by 6 to the power of 2 is equal to 25. 6 squared is 36, and 36 times 2 will give us 72. So therefore, we have x to the power of 4 plus y to the power of 4 minus 72, but we can take it to the right hand side. We have 25 as 72 negative crosses over, it becomes positive 72. And finally, x to the power of 4 plus y to the power of 4 is equal to 97. And again, for a purpose, I want us to expand, instead of x squared minus y squared, I want us to expand x squared plus y squared. So x squared plus y squared all squared. If you expand this, you're going to obtain the first term squared is x to the power of 4. Second term squared, we have positive y to the power of 4. Then plus 2 multiplied by x squared times y squared, which is the same thing as xy all squared multiplied by 2. In the previous equation, x to the power of 4 plus y to the power of 4 is equal to 97. We can bring it back here, right? So this is 97 plus, already we have seen that from the second equation, xy is 6. So we have 6 squared is 36. 36 times 2 is 72. So this is 72. Remember, this is x squared plus y squared all squared. X squared plus y squared all squared will give us 169. To find the value of x squared plus y squared, we are going to take the square root of both sides, and hence x squared plus y squared will be equal to plus or minus the square root of 169. And square root of 169 is 13. So x squared plus y squared is equal to plus or minus 13. And lastly, I want us to expand x plus y all squared. So x plus y all squared, this is equal to x squared plus y squared plus 2xy. We want to expand this because from here we can get the sum of x and y, all right? To the right hand side, we can see that x squared plus y squared is nothing but positive or negative 13, all right? So this is plus or minus 13, then plus 2 times 6, because the product of x and y is 6, so we have 6 times 2, which is equal to 12. This is x plus y all squared. But you can see that this is plus or minus 13 plus 12. This is either 13 plus 12, which is 25, or minus 13 plus 12, which is negative 1. All right? And we're going to take the square root of both sides. Therefore, since x and y are all reals, we are only going to consider 25, right? Therefore, x plus y is equal to plus or minus the square root of 25. And hence, x plus y is equal to plus or minus 5, because square root of 25 is 5. This implies that x plus y could either be positive 5 or negative 5. And this is the first method. Now let us apply the second method. The second method, I want to solve for the values of x and y, then substitute them back into this expression. Okay, the first equation is x squared minus y squared equal to 5, while the second equation is x times y equal to 6. So from the second equation, from equation 2, we can make y the subject, right? Y will be equal to 6 divided by x. So wherever we have y in the first equation, we are going to substitute it with 6 divided by x. So let's cover this because it is an important equation. So from equation 1, we have x squared minus, instead of y, we replace it with 6 divided by x, also all squared, and this is equal to 5. And we're going to solve this equation in terms of x. So we have x squared minus 6 times 6 is 36 divided by x squared, and this is equal to 5. Let us multiply every single term by x squared just to eliminate this denominator right here. So we have x squared times x squared will give us x to the power of 4 minus 36 as you multiply that by x squared, and this is equal to 5x squared. So now let us bring every term to the left hand side. This is x to the power of 4 minus 5x squared minus 36. This is equal to 0. We can solve this equation by factorization. So we have our two factors, but they will be in terms of x squared. Now we are going to think of two numbers, which when we multiply them together, we get negative 36. And when added up together, we get negative 5. The numbers are negative 9 and positive 4, right? If you set each of these factors to be 0, we have x squared minus 9 equal to 0, or x squared plus 4 equal to 0. We are going to consider this because from here we have only imaginary roots. So let's consider x squared minus 9 equal to 0, which is difference of two squares. X squared minus 3 squared equal to 0. This is x minus 3 multiplied by x plus 3 equal to 0. If you set each of these factors to be 0, x is either equal to 3 or negative 3. So we can say that x is equal to plus or minus 3, right? But remember from this important equation, y is equal to 6 divided by x. So y is equal to 6 divided by x, which implies that y is equal to 6 divided by plus or minus 3, right? Therefore, y is equal to plus or minus 2. So the right combinations are x, y equal to positive 3 for x and positive 2 for y, or negative 3 for x and negative 2 for y. What are we looking for? We are looking for the sum x plus y. If you take this group, you have 3 plus 2, which is equal to 5. If you take the other group, x plus y will be equal to negative 3, negative 2, which is equal to negative 5. You see, we have either plus 5 or minus 5, and hence x plus y is equal to plus or minus 5, just like the first method. And this is all I have for you today. Thank you for watching. Do share to your learning colleagues, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more exciting videos. Bye bye.